If we look at the generic definition of planning in Wikipedia, where it says that planning is the process of thinking about activities required to achieve a desired goal. In maintenance planning, we are using the same process to achieve the goal of preparing and executing a certain maintenance activity or a group of maintenance tasks. Maintenance planning is how to do the job, while maintenance scheduling is when to do the job. Maintenance planning is one of the core functions of any maintenance organization, which will ease the job of all other maintenance teammates if it was done properly. In this course, we shall answer many of the questions about maintenance planning and its required tools and skills.